Hello guys, good morning. It's me again, Jovi. Anyway, what we're gonna talk about today? Today is Tuesday at let's check our phone. Okay, it's 4:45 in the morning. Yep, it's Tuesday, December 10. Anyway, before I forget, good morning Philippines. Eh, did I say good morning? Good evening, Philippines. I'm so bad, I swear. Good evening, Philippines. Merry Christmas to all of you guys. And Merry Christmas to me. Yeah, it's getting closer. Um, ano pa bang pag-uusapan natin? Okay. I see some few question, only few. May nagtatanong sa akin sa ano, hindi ko na babanggitin kung sino. Someone asked me if I have kids. Yes, I do have a kids. I had 3 kids. Can you believe it? 3 kids is not much. Normal lang yun. Okay, ang panganay ko po ay ang aking asawa, ang aking anak, 21 years old, and 16 years old. Okay? Ang mahirap palakihin yung aking panganay, asawa. Sino nakaka-relate dyan? Joke lang po. Yes, I have 2 kids, 21 and 16. Okay, so ibig sabihin nun, hindi po ako single. Kasi may nagtatanong din po kung single daw ako. Hindi po ako single. I've been married for 23 years. And hindi po puti ang asawa ko. Pilipino po. Bicolano. Yes. Ang aking asawa po, ang aking esposo is tubong Bicolano. But they grow up here. They grow up here. Minsan may nakikita kayong lalaking kasama ko, buntot-buntot ko. Yun po yung panganay ko, asawa. Ano pa ba? Oh, may nagtanong po, taga saan daw po ako? Okay, kung talagang nanonood kayo sa aking video, you guys should know by now kung taga saan ako. Dito, kung nasaan ako nakatira ngayon. But, I'm just gonna say it again. But before that, hold on. Hold on. Copy tayo. I'm dying for coffee. Woo! Hot! I overheat my coffee. Okay. Taga saan ako? Here, ako po ay taga Indiana. And yung area ko po is Seymour. Small town Seymour. Kung curious po kayo kung taga saan ako, meron po ako mga old videos dyan. Panoorin nyo po. Meron po kaming pinuntahan no, ito lang October. It's a small town Seymour. Yung anak ko po nagpi-play ng music instrument, banda, ganun. So nakasulat po yung kung taga saan, like Seymour, yan. So Indiana, Seymour. Okay? So ano pa ba yung question? Sa Pilipinas, kung taga saan naman ako? Ako po ay Tubong, Olongapo City. Woo-hoo! Raise the roof. Yes, a small city, but I love it. Zambales po, di ba? Olongapo City is Zambales. Yeah, I'm from Indiana, Seymour here, and Olongapo City over there. So, that's it. Ano pa ba? Wala na. Wala nang question. Yun lang yung question nila. Wala na akong maikwento. Siguro that's it for now. Ano bang nangyari sa amin kahapon? Oh yeah, nagdala ako ng pagkain kahapon kasi Monday, 'di ba? Alam niyo naman 'yan, nagdadala ako ng pagkain sa Monday. Alam niyo guys, gusto ko sanang ma-surprise kayo. Ayoko sanang pero nadudulas ako. I'm not really good at it. Na-spill ko yung mga surprise. Ayoko minsan sabihin sa inyo kung ano yung ulam yung dinala ko, no? But, ang masasabi ko lang, I was so surprised. Ang dinala ko is ribs. Alam niyo yung ribs, mabuto. Pero siguro common na rin din yan dito. Kasi pag pumupunta ka sa restaurant, meron silang tinatawag na barbecue ribs. And they enjoy those kind of food. So, yeah, I'm a little bit worried kasi may buto, bone. Alam mo naman ang mga puti, they're not crazy on bone. Pero naubos kahapon. Naubos. Ang bilis. Yung iba, hindi na nakakain. Well, first come, first serve. Mabagal ka, di sorry ka. Laura, I love her so much. She's always behind. Pero ang trabaho niya nandyan lang sa tabi ng break room. Pero bakit late siya yung dumarating sa break room? But anyway, yeah, I feel bad yesterday kasi ang natira na lang yung maliliit, konting-kinting sabaw. Curious lang sila kung ano yung niluto ko. Next time, magluluto tayo ulit, pero different meat. Maybe manok next time, okay? So, ano pa ba? Yeah, wala nang bago-bago. Yun lang. Kaya kung mag-question kayong iba pa, that's it. I'm hoping that next year baka makauwi. Makapasyal tayo ulit sa Bicol. Tignan natin ang Bulkang Mayon. Bulkang Mayon ba? Tama? Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, I'm excited to take a video on that too and put on my YouTube and explore a little bit. You know what, guys? Well, I'm glad you guys don't ask me how old I am. Thank you. I'm not giving you an idea. Don't ask me how old I am. Age doesn't matter. Kakapi ako. Ow! Ang init pa rin. Aw, wow, wow, wow. Anyway, yeah, I'm excited na baka next year makauwi kami sa Pilipinas. I'm excited about that. And this time, I will appreciate more ang ating Bicol. Kasi I've been there a few times. And then the first time, you would appreciate it. But the second time, less appreciated. Third, fourth, you kind of, I already seen this multiple times. But this time, if ever I had a chance to go back next year, I will take a video and post in my YouTube channel. So all my coworkers and friends here can see kung ano ang yaman ng Pilipinas. Well, I don't know. Wala na akong maikwento. Kung gusto nyo lang makimarites, just click the notification below para kung ano man yung mga random kong mga video, inyong malalaman kung curious lang kayo. I got a lot of editing to do. Hopefully, I can keep up kasi mag-o-off kami sa trabaho. Yes. And I like to take a video also Saturday and Sunday. But the last Saturday, hindi ako naka-video kasi ang aking telepono is full of storage. Like, wala na akong mapaglagyan. Yan ang aking biggest problem, storage. Wala akong mapaglagyan. So, yeah. Just don't forget to like and share and click the notification para updated kayo kung ano yung ipopost ko, mga marites. I think that's it for now. If you have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to message you back. Okay? Again, good evening, Philippines. Merry Christmas. I hope to see you soon. And visit family in the Philippines. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng hindi. And hoping that everything goes well 2025. Sana lahat maging okay. economy wise. Everything is so expensive. It's it's hard to survive. It's all over the world. All over the world. It's really hard to survive. You're gonna work multiple harder than you already work hard. Kasi nga lahat ng mga bagay is so expensive. I can imagine sa Pilipinas also. Dito mahal na. Teka lang, speaking of that, do you guys know ang egg dito? Ang binibili ko kasi, dozen and a half, which is 18 pieces. Almost $6. Magkano ba ang convert ngayon sa Pilipinas? Na ano na ako na lost ko na yung tingin-tingin kasi na wala na akong pandala. Naubos na ang aking pagpadala. So, I don't know, wala na akong updated. It's been a while na nagtingin ako ng exchange rate sa Pilipinas, yung Google, MoneyGram, whatever. Western Union, blah, 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 Remini. Yeah. Matagal na rin ako hindi nakakatingin how much yung exchange rate. But anyway, that's all for now, guys. Good evening, Philippines. I love you. And Merry Christmas to all of the Filipino in the Philippines. Merry Christmas to all the people watching my video, cooking vlog, and more. And thank you so much for supporting my channel, liking my channel, and sharing my channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Good morning to me. Updated. Okay, updated tayo. Oh, it's 4:55 in the morning. Tuesday. Bye. Mwah.